everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to create and set up Brave browser. So first thing you need to do is you need to open the Google Play Store or your Android device, as this video is for the Android users. Tap on Google Play Store, then on the search bar what you need to do is type in Brave browser and then tap on search. It will show you the search result on the top, the Brave browser. Now you need to tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. The Brave browser is fast, private and secure web browser for PC, Mac and mobile. You can easily download it from the Google Play Store. It is a free and open source web browser developed by Brave Software. It is a super fast, private and secure web browser with Adblock. You will have a safer, faster and better browsing experience while growing support for content creators. Once the downloading process is done, you tap on open. And with that, you will have a Brave browser for your Android users. Now to set up, all you need to do is tap on set up as default browser. Tap that. Set Brave as your default browser app. So here you need to choose the Brave browser rather than Chrome, because Chrome is the current default browser on your Android. So we're gonna make Brave the default browser application for your Android device. Tap that and then tap on set as default. Help make Brave better. Now you just need to tap on the checkbox over here on both of this and then tap on continue. You have set up the Brave browser. Now you can search for the any keyword. So this is how you can create and set up Brave browser. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.